What is this?
It's a bit of foam with holes.
And that is perfectly designed to fit. I've had them on before, the Yokomo zip up pool bag.
Yes.
And that is a shock oil stand, effectively.
Inside.
The Yokomo multi-use bag.
So if I was to buy that, I could fit inside my Yokomo multi-use bag.
That's right. Turn it into a shock oil bag immediately.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Slavin, this has got your name on it, brother.
Now, 2.2-inch wheels in pink.
Yeah.
Coincides with the release of the YZ91.
Yep.
Along with all new TF340s
and
TR380s.
Oh, I love these, the old model
different treads. That's right. And they've reinvented the compounds. Still not what I would call a modern compound.
No.
But it's really cool.
Yeah,
If you want that vintage look, even if you're building a shelf queen, right?
Yeah. This is the way to go.
This is the way to go. I don't know how they're going to go on track, but we'll tell you because our YZ91 will be presented next week.
What?
Probably not. He knows he's going to paint it.
Yeah, I was going to say, it's still in my shed. It hasn't moved. I've been out in the high seas. Arr. How come no one on my ship talk like a pirate?
You're in the wrong deck.
I was on the poop deck.
The poop deck. What is the poop deck?
I've looked it up. It does exist. Yeah. And it's the rearmost area of the ship, the aft. Yeah. And it's the deck over the top of where the sailors poo used to.
Really? What?
Something like that. I looked. Wikipedia said it. But all I cared about it was legit.
I wanted you to come in as an experienced sailor. Now have a look at this.
I experienced the sailor. Is that the same thing?
I've got to go to Overhead Town for this. This is the all new aluminium diff case for the Yokomos, and this will go from BD9 onwards. BD9, BD10, BD11, BD12, MS1. So for those of you that need the ultimate in trick parts and really value consistent diff action, aluminium diff center. That is pretty cool. What have we got here? I've got new restock of the drift motor with 10.5 turn RPM. So it's the titanium rotor for maximum RPM. I have got ESC mounts in purple. This is for the RDS series. So this is so you can be like the cool MD kids and have your ESC mounted on the rear. And you of all people know how good it is to have your ESC mounted on the rear.
You can't beat it. Magnetic.
All-purpose magnetic body mounts. Now, these have been out for Yokomo for ages, but now they're doing them in colours. So the little nub that goes on your body post, it's now red. Or, in fact, probably other colours.
You want a red nub?
We've got upgrades for the RD 2.0. So the RD 2.0 does have plastic suspension blocks. But if you're into drifting and you love your bling, and
this got Syrian flame all over it.
Good chance you are. We have got the blue suspension blocks right here. Oh, this keeps coming. This is something that is going to strike the love into the hearts of many. This is the Team Yokomo SP02D servo. And this is a plastic case metal heatsink servo from Yokomo.
With metal gears.
And at this price point and performance, it is amazing. And you could use that in
two-wheel drive buggy. Two-wheel drive buggy, it would be killer.
10th scale on-road as well as drift, because they're designed and engineered for drift, so they don't need a lot of torque, but it's still got 12 kilos.
Yep.
But drift servos, I mean, there's one thing that drifters are hard on, it is servos. Yep. So it has been designed to work really hard. Doesn't have the full bling of the SP03D. Hey.
Oh, here's one you prepared earlier.
Here's one I've prepared earlier, which is a full metal case programmable brushless servo. I don't know anybody that programs, but anyway, they are programmable. This one, I'm showing this one. We've had the SP03D before, but I'm showing this one because it's blue. Because they've just They've just released and gone back to blue colors. Now, Yokomo was synonymous with blue. They've come away with it probably because TRF. Since TRF really don't have much say in the market, I'd say that Yokomo are picking back up the pieces and going back to their roots.
So cool,
doesn't it?
Yeah.
So Yokomo Blue is available in servos and gyros at the moment, and I dare say motors and stuff will be coming. So that is the SP02DB for blue, I think.
Lots of things in today.
Lots of things in today. Springadings.
Springs for doggies.
Now, what I love about this, it might be like a year late, but I was the factory fitted springs that come with the 870C
were shit.
Were really, really hard. If you built it with a LiPo, I'm sure if you use the nickel metal NiCad saddle pack, it's probably okay.
Yeah.
But if you put a modern lightweight battery in there, they will rock hard. But Yokomo have done soft, medium, and hard front and rear shock spring sets for it. So you get 3 in a packet. Really good. Reminds me of Tamiya's of yesteryears when they used to do that for touring cars and so on and so forth. What else is in my box of goodies?
Screws.
Screw
user.
Now, why these are really good, and these will be highly sought after, these are the premium screws from Racing Performer. So these are Yokomo's performance arm. These are the really cool UFO head screws. Super cool. And these are all new. So these are for the
the
2.0 forward drive.
The shape of the head is very different.
Yeah.
I like that.
MO 2.0 for the four-wheel drive and SO3 for the two-wheel drive. So four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive screw kits are available. So get amongst those.
Yeah, you get them on your car and people are going to go,
that's the factory. Titanium. That's what the factory guys have.
Yeah, that is like, it's just factory as.
That is the last thing I got to show you. So if you're into drifting, and you might well be, I know Syrian's at home just going nuts.
Well, he's already said about the motor that he wants one. I've read that.
Has he?
Yeah.
It's going nuts. So now they've got the alloy arms as well, which is an upgrade for the RD 2.0 and SD 2.0, which is really good. And for those of you who've been waiting, the alloy hubs are back for the MS 1.0 touring car. So really good. So these are tuning up.
Lots of stuff.
Lots of Yokomo stuff. Yeah. Still going through it. So